makes the Polish Lavvu the ideal bushcraft shelter.
Due to the overwhelming popularity of the Polish Lavvu, it's hard not to include this piece of kit when you are talking about man-made bushcraft shelters. Though a lot more popular in the UK than it is in North America, in recent years the Polish Lavvu has really taken the YouTube by storm. Personally, I have used the Polish Lavvu myself on a plethora of trips here in West Central Alberta, Canada, in all sorts of weather conditions, from scorching heat, monsoon season, to the bitter cold of the Canadian winters. This shelter can see you through it all. Now 3 sizes are available. You can tell what size your Lavvu is by how many grommets are punched out by the button-up doorways. The Lavvu is a multi-use shelter that can also be used as a poncho. When 2 of these ponchos are placed together, you get your teepee style shelter. Coming in at 3.5 kilograms, the Lavvu is not the lightest shelter you could take with you, but it can be one of the most durable, with the multifunctionality of it to make it more worth the payload of packing it out. There are 10 peg out points on the Lavvu regardless of the size. Check out these dimensions. Moving into mods, like most bushcraft gear, everyone wants to add their own personal flair to the kit. The Lavvu is no different. Mods can include a tripod to get rid of the center pole, zippers added to take place of the button-up doorways and armholes, adding additional fabric to the base of the Lavvu to increase size, or adding a ground sheet as it is open bottom tent. My personal favorite is adding a wood-burning stove to make it a hot tent. Taking a look at maintenance, the Lavvu couldn't be easier to take care of. Should you run into a leaky Lavvu, set it up in the rain or hose it down in the backyard. This will cause the pores of the fibers to swell and seal up the leak. When not in use, store it at direct sunlight in a dry location. It is easy to see how this tent has become so popular. Barring nuclear destruction or some other form of world-ending event, the Lavvu could be the best man-made shelter you can purchase for every condition. If you have enjoyed this video, please head on over to Beat Around the Bushcraft Caywood in 1 week to see episode 7 of this 10-part series. Should you choose to see some camping videos of the Lavvu in use, be sure to check out my playlist down in the description. Until next time, keep outdoors.